Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a human hair wash wig. So this is my Amazon wig, lace front wig. So I'm trying to get all this glue out so that I can reapply and just wash my hair, period. Look at that. So today's tutorial, this is what it will be about, okay? So what you will need is your Gain fabric softener and a detergent. Again, you can use whatever detergent of your choice you want to, but today this is what I'm going to be using. And also the water, you can make it lukewarm water, not hot. You can do lukewarm to cold, okay? So don't put too much detergent, just like that, not much. And then take your wig and put it into the water. Again, do not brush your hair, your wig while it's wet. Don't do that and stuff like that. So let it just soak and all of this gunk right here will come out. So I'm gonna let it soak for a couple minutes so that all of this will come out. So you don't have to do much to this hair, you know, or this wig, should I say, you know. So if you have a brush, you can just brush it off. And I have a toothbrush here. You can tell the water is a little bit gunky because of the glue that's coming out of the lace front like this. But like I say, if you don't want to do all of this, just let it soak. All of this will come out. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna let this soak because I just put it in there. So see, it's coming out, but you just gotta give it some time to soak on. Okay, so let it just, you know, soak and do what it do. And yeah, I'll come back when it's time for me to put the fabric softener and let it sit and let it do its work. But look at that, look at that, look at that water. I know a lot of us are not washing our wigs like we're supposed to, or maybe some of us don't know how to do it. So just keep applying the wig just like that. So look at that. So like I said, let it just do it do, and I'll come back. Okay guys? Okay you all, so it's been over 30 minutes now since I left this wig in here. So as you can see, some of the glue is off of the wig. And so now let's see if we can get the rest of this glue off. As you see, it's coming off now. Just take a soft brush and just wipe them off like that. See that? Everything is coming off easily. Because when you apply your wig, you don't want to have all of those gunk sitting on your forehead or on your head like that. So you guys, I still got like few right here, but no biggie. So make sure you get the corners. Always the ones that be lifting up. Just like that. And you got a brand new wig now, y'all. So yeah, get the corners as much as possible. Now we gotta brand the wig. So I'm just going to wash this off. Look at that water. Yeah, look at that water. It wasn't like that though. So I'm gonna empty that off. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit of fabric softener and let it just sit in there and let it have that fabric softener, conditioner smell, you guys. So I'm gonna let it sit for like about 10 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna wash it off, and then I'm gonna hang it outside, let it just dry, and let all the water comes off. And yeah, and I'll be ready to install this wig again, guys. So it's basically easy, you know. So alright guys, so I'll see you. I'm gonna leave this here for 10-15 minutes. I'm going to rinse it off and I will show you guys the rest of it. Okay, okay guys, so it's been 15 minutes now since I had this wig in here. So I'm just gonna take it out, rinse it out, and put it outside, let it dry. Okay, so this is how the wig is looking. It smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. So guys, now I'm just gonna use this kid's hanger to just hang my wig outside. Doesn't matter which side. Just put it on. Just try to make it work. Okay, so I'm using this hanger right here and just make it work and let the wig dry. That's all you need, is just to make the wig dry. Okay, so I'll see you guys when it's all dried, and yeah, I'll show you how the final result look. Okay, yeah, I got me a new scalp. Okay, brand new frontal. Oh, Dollar Tree product, y'all. Smells so good. Look at that, really cute. Okay, you guys, so it's been 2 days since I washed this wig, and it's still hanging on my hanger in my bathroom. So just want to show you the final results, you guys, because I know someone will ask. I haven't applied anything on his hair. This is just straight. I'm just going to leave it like this because I'm not ready to apply it on my hair, on my head. So yes, guys, so just want to show you the final result. So yeah, everything is clean and ready to go. Show you how the hair is looking. Really, really happy. Smells good. The curls are popping. So yes, guys, the baby hairs are looking great. So yes, guys, don't be scared to wash your wigs. So this is another one that I did. So yeah, that video should be up before this one. So you guys, I wash my wigs all the time. So don't be scared, synthetic or whatsoever. You know, it is what it is. It's just damn hair. You don't want to smell good and your wig ain't smelling good. You know what I mean? Alright, guys, so thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, bye bye now. Alright.